Weight loss exercise products you may want to buy. If you are, you should know the importance of exercise. Exercise burns off calories, which reduces your calorie intake, which, in turn, makes it possible for you to lose weight. If this is the first time that you have decided to seriously try to lose weight, you may be looking to buy exercise equipment for yourself. If you are, you will want to continue watching and listen carefully. Below, a few popular pieces of exercise equipment that you may look into buying are outlined. One piece of exercise equipment that you may want to look into buying is that of a treadmill. Treadmills are, perhaps, the most well-known piece of exercise equipment available. What is nice about treadmills is that they come in several different styles. For instance, you can find treadmills that are powered by electricity and then treadmills that are powered by your walking. This is nice as it often results in treadmills being available for a wide range of prices. Whether you have $100 to spend on a treadmill or $1,000, you should be able to find a treadmill for your home weight loss plan. Another piece of exercise equipment that you may want to look into buying, for your at-home weight loss plan, is that of an elliptical machine. Elliptical machines are nice, as they often combine multiple exercises. More advanced elliptical machines, also commonly referred to as deluxe elliptical machines, often given you an upper body workout and a lower body workout as well. Elliptical machines are often referred to as combination stair climbers and ski machines. An exercise bike is another popular piece of exercise equipment that you may want to think about buying for your at-home weight loss program. Like an elliptical machine, many exercise bikes give you an upper body and a lower body workout. These are points to take into consideration, should you decide to buy an exercise bike for yourself. Like treadmills, exercise bikes come in several different formats and styles, therefore, they are sold for a wide range of prices. One piece of exercise equipment that you may not necessarily think about buying, but one that you should examine is that of a trampoline. When it comes to trampolines, you will find that they come in several different formats. For instance, it is possible to find larger sized trampolines, ones that are ideal for backyards and often associated with recreational play. While these trampolines can also be used for exercise, there are smaller, mini trampolines that are designed for exercise, as well as indoor use. These types of trampolines are often fun, exciting, and affordable. The above-mentioned pieces of exercise equipment are often larger and occasionally more expensive. If you are looking for more affordable pieces of exercise equipment or more compact pieces, you still have an unlimited number of products to choose from. For instance, there are yoga and Pilates items that are often affordable and small in size. Exercise balls and resistance bands are popular items that you may want to take the time to examine. There are also weight sets that you can buy, or you can buy a few individuals' weights to use at home. When it comes to exercising at home, your options are, literally, unlimited. When it comes to buying exercise equipment for yourself, you will find that you have several different options. You can shop locally or online. Exercise equipment is sold at sports stores, as well as traditional department stores. If you are on a budget, you may want to look into buying used exercise equipment. Used exercise equipment can often be found on online auction websites, in thrift stores, and yard sales. As outlined above, there are several different exercise equipment pieces that you can use to help you lose weight at home. Whether you choose to buy some of the pieces outlined above or something else, you are sure to have a fun and exciting time working to achieve your weight loss goal.